Those eyes that see your blessing that Allah has given to you, they're not always looking with good eyes. They're not always looking with the idea that we want this person to benefit or to have more. Rather, they'll be envious. They'll be jealous. There are issues. Why does he have this and I don't have this? I give you the example of Qarun, the cousin of Musa alayhi salam, was a tyrant. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gifted him so much wealth that it said that he needed multiple camels just to carry the keys to his treasures. And one day what he did in a display of extravagance, of pomp, he decided to march his jewelry and his treasures all the way throughout the streets. And what's written in the Quran is that the people on the side looking would say, if only we had the wealth like Qarun. So they would look upon him with envy, that we wish he had that we had that sort of wealth. And what had happened was that Musa alayhi salam had done dua against him, and as we know, the earth had swallowed up Qarun. And one of the prime reasons is this envy. People want that, we'll show you what that will bring.